Only on 6 tonight, a totally different approach to policing when it comes to mental health crisis calls. The calls are increasing, and too many of them end in tragedy. So the Lake Mary Police Department is getting the community involved to get results together for those in crisis.
News 6's Eric Von Inken shows us the dramatic change and why police say it will save money and, more importantly, lives.
Will you come out and talk to me? Why not?
This is much more than a call for service. It's a call for help.
My word is a man. You put that knife down and I'll get you a beer.
A growing number of 911 calls during the pandemic are for people suffering from a mental health crisis that have escalated to violence.
They often hurt themselves or kill themselves or even hurt or kill others. We want to be able to prevent that.
Lake Mary Police Officer Zach Hudson, with the police chief and the entire department behind him.
But in order to deal with the problems of today, we must be more innovative. We must be more effective.
Decided it was time for the PD to do more to reduce the amount of times law enforcement must respond to someone in crisis or even prevent it entirely.
You have so many people out there that are hurting, so many people that are struggling with their mental health. But the only tool we've ever had historically is the Baker Act, which is when we take someone into custody and take them to a mental health unit.
So the Mental Health Intervention Group was born.
Mental Health Intervention Group.
Officer Hudson pulled together almost 24 Seminole County businesses and nonprofits to volunteer their time, services, and resources. Pharmacies, hospitals, doctors, counselors, churches, fundraisers.
We have soups, we have vegetables, we have boxed meals.
And even food pantries.
Over here we have personal hygiene items, wipes, shampoo, deodorant, conditioner, lotion.
Stocked with everything from pet food to deodorant to medical equipment.
Everything is free for our clients.
To get all kinds of help to someone in crisis after they call 911.
This morning had several phone calls.
Or ideally, before.
When you have people that are suffering from mental illness and those individuals do not have access to food, a lot of times they don't take their medication.
And besides all of those nonprofits and businesses pitching in, Officer Hudson says 31 counselors countywide are following up, making home visits so police don't have to. Coming up next week when I see you again, we're going along on one of those visits and we're seeing how hospitals and pharmacies are part of this and how they are also getting results together. Eric Von Inken, News 6.